Hello guys. Hello guys. So we're back. So I did. So guys, like and subscribe if you want to see more videos on channel. We're at update. So did you even just did they, I don't know what to talk about. Just bro, why did they even give me up now? Why is it like this? Also, they have Squid Game there. So I'm 13 years old again. Why is it happening? Okay. Nah, I hate you. Nah. No, I don't want to get favorite. That was not my favorite. Why is it confused? Okay. Hey, you. Sussy baka. Okay, we're at stage 60. 600. 6.00. Bro, I need size. Need size. Okay, I need to just I need to beat this game. It's gonna be it's gonna be real. Bro, why is it happening? Bro, this evil Roblox bro, this Roblox is evil. Did they just give me this lagging? Bro, why did they even give me what? Bro guys, why did they even give me why did it bro guys, why is it hard? Why did it even give me records? Bro, why is it wait, let me oh wait, hold on a second. Bro, they keep on bro guys, bro, how can I record? Please, I wanna end. Okay guys, I wanted to upload this because they didn't even give me this. Bro, only got this. Okay. Haha, uru. Uh, oh shoot. Okay, only got badge award. I am have January 2025. I am still 13 years old, guys. So, anyways, I wanted to keep uploading now. Bro, I wanted to. This could take a long time. How can I just do that? How can I do that? No. Bro, bro, it's too hard. It's too hard. No, that's it. I'm going to skip it. Let me in. Go on. Come on. Yes, let's go. Okay, it's gonna be our Squid Game. So, I am still 13. Why I am getting raging? They didn't even give me uploading yet because it's too hard. Why is it like this? What is happening to me? So I hate this game. This game is so freak out. This game. This game is so. This game is sus. Why is it sus now? When I got 28. When condition so fast. I don't know. Okay, I only got 28. Why is it? Okay. Wait, I only got the. Bro, give me us Robux. Wait, let me. Let me. Oh, small. I said small. Big. Big. Wait, like this. Big, small, big. Yes, let's go. Okay, yes. We're gonna reach now. Also, we're gonna reach now. Okay. Wow. So fast. We're gonna get through so fast. What the? Bro, why did I get faster? Okay, we're gonna reach now. I only got badge awards. I use the mobbins now. Help. They can help. I'm going to cheat again. Bro. Bro, sus, Sakibaka, sus. This game is really sus. This game is really sus. Yes, yes. Stupid Roblox. I hate Roblox. I will give it in 3 out of 10. I don't know what talking about is, but I don't know. Okay. Okay, we're at the colors. Yes. 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 Come on. Come on. I beat it. Why did you even give me upload this? No. I hate this. I hate this game. But I want to. Oh wait, I should do it like this. Let, bro. Oh, oh, oh my god. Bro, game. This game is sus. Sussy. Sussy game. Bro, I wanted to beat this. Please. Guys, please. Come on, let me. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Wait. ROBLOX. Roblox. Okay. Okay. Please give me okay? If you didn't even upload, then I cannot record anymore. I want it to record now. Guys, why is it sus? Stupid. I hate you. Bro, you never know. Bro, this game is so weird. Why is it weird? Come on. Shrink. Shrink. Shrink, 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 shrink. Come on, let's go, let's go. I said let's go. Guys, I'm going to this game. I hate this. No! This game weird. Bro, bro, I hate game. Hey, you. Wait, is that Squid Game? Wait, is that Squid Game? Yeah, Squid Game. Bro, stuck. I'm stuck. That's it. 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 Come on, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Game. Bro, bro, it's so, bro. They're trying to trick me. Or what? Go. Let's go. Let's go. I don't want to read, no, but I'm gonna get screwed. Why does this line? I hate this. I hate this. I'm going to 5. You guys know it's not real. It's not real. How can I just beat this game? How? On, on, on secret. Bro, let me just do it now. It takes so long. Guys, let me. Come on. Oh, it's big. Okay, okay. Let's get bigger. Please, I wanted to upload videos. Okay, let me upload videos. Oh, bro, How many? Bro, how many hobbies do I get? Do we get? Wait, can I go there? No, why? Wait, where's that? Oh, there is the rainbow up there. Okay, let's go. Wait, where's that? Okay, we need to finish the hobby, guys. I need to finish the hobby. This could take 10 I don't know what to talk about. I don't know. Okay, let's go. Take in a minute. Let's go. What's that? How does my voice look this? Why is it sad? Hey, you player. Watch out. If you just ruin it, then I'm going to skip it. Hey, you, Udo. Ew, no. Yes. Mm. Me. Okay. Mm. Bro, this could take an hour. Wait, hold on. Small, I guess. Take a very long time. No, wait. Wait. Yes, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Cactus. I love you, Cactus. Cactus, please. Utot. Oh, they keep on. Oh, they healed me. Okay. I did realize. I did realize that. What's that? Guys, this could be the Squid Game. This could be the Squid Game. Okay, I wanna get. Bro, they trying to trick me. You know what? That's it. I'm going to the end. I don't know. Okay. No, bro, they try. Bro, they will take me long time. Let me in. That's it. I'm going to let me. No, no, no. Okay. You know what? You know what? No. Come on, come on. Finish. Oh,